How to find user ID in Zenless Zone Zero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Your user ID is your unique player number used for friends, support and account tracking in Zenless Zone Zero. First of all, launch open the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, this little circle over here. And once you're inside this terminal page, you'll see your user ID underneath your username. Go ahead and tap on the copy button to copy your user ID to your device's clipboard. Now once you copy that, you can go ahead and paste it somewhere safe for future reference. This number is used for adding friends, account support, top-ups or rewards. This is not your username and you cannot change it. If you want privacy, then stop sharing it publicly with anyone. And that's how you know where to find your user ID in Zenless Zone Zero like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.